Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at ServiceNow, and here we are tracking a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, a third wave up, a fourth down, and now a fifth wave to the upside. And there are two main interpretations for this scenario, and the idea is that we could actually extend further in this fifth wave to the upside, and we would need another 4-5 pattern to actually complete it. Now, it is also realistically very possible that it is already complete and we could be heading lower in a large wave 2 for such a 1-2 setup, but for now we can still track direct upside, and I even provided a small count for such a move where we expect a 5-wave move, where we had a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, a long third wave up, a fourth wave possibly complete, possibly still ongoing, and then still a fifth wave to the upside. Now I'm tracking this as an ending diagonal, which is why I actually provided the support zone with the 61.8% retracement included. And yeah, overall the support zone for such a wave 4 is between $896 down to around $563. And so far we could have completed the entire correction, but realistically I could say that this is just an A wave down, and I could very easily even count it as a leading diagonal in an A wave in 5 waves, which means I would expect another movement in a B wave high and then a C wave to the downside to complete this 3-wave correction. And for such a scenario I will provide even an interpretation on the chart in this case, and let's make it yellow. And the ideal extension, considering the B wave topped here, would be the 100% extension at around $600. Now, I wouldn't be surprised to find quite some support at the 50% retracement area, especially due to how much of a reaction and the included price action support we had here. So keep in mind, we don't need to get the 100% extension, it's just an ideal target. And now, besides that, I will make this yellow because I also want to focus on the fact that we could be looking at the 5-wave move to the upside here. And even though we got into the resistance area here for a wave 2 and reacted quite nicely to the area around the 78.6% retracement, we could have also formed really a 5-wave move to the upside, and we would have a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, a third up, a fourth down, and a fifth up, wave 1 complete, wave A complete, and we started the fifth wave to the upside, where we would now expect a B wave retracement and the C wave to complete it. Now, for that I can also provide a support zone, and I will add this in white, and it is overall in the larger support zone, so a nice area of confluence here to have further reassurance that we could have very good chances to go directly higher, and that we are overall in a large support zone, so the risk is minimized to an extent. So I will also add this interpretation to the chart with white, and consider that this could have been the entire correction in the wave 4 and we could retrace in the wave B. I would say that so far we had an A wave down, a B wave up, a 1-2, and now a longer third wave that is probably still unfolding. And yeah, I think we need to get a little lower in this area. Yeah, I don't think the third wave of the C wave down here is complete. And let me add another ABC for this pattern. And I actually didn't place the A wave top in the right place. So this is a smaller ABC, the subwaves of the B wave. And I still expect the C wave to continue down further. We don't really have much of a divergence yet, but overall I could see that we get only another 4-5 here, or sorry, 4-5 to actually complete the third wave, and then maybe we go into the fourth wave to the down, fourth wave up, and then fifth wave to the downside, complete the C wave, complete the B wave correction, head directly higher. Now, it is your choice which interpretation you want to favor here. They are quite similar. We have 5 waves in both directions, and overall I would say to focus on the fact that we are overall in the larger support zone in white, and we could see further continuation to new all-time highs directly in the fifth wave, or sorry, in the C wave of the fifth wave of the larger fifth wave to the upside. So for now, these are the levels, this is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.